Bread and Butter Real Talk. Simple things that sustain us. Listen to all 5 videos. Sa bawat breakfast table, laging may basics, bread and butter. Hindi fancy, pero sapat para magpatuloy ka. Minsan gusto natin ng bonggang meals, grand feasts, pero totoo, yung simple lang ang talagang nagpapanatili sa atin. Sa life, madalas natin i-overlook ang basics. Family, faith, health, yung simpleng ngiti ng kaibigan. Habang habol tayo ng promotions, gadgets, likes at followers, nakakalimutan natin na yung tunay na bread and butter nandyan na sa mesa. At ito pa, bread mag-isa? Dry. Butter lang. Mabigat. Pero pag pinagsama, balanced. Parang sa life, kailangan mo ng hard work at rest, discipline at joy, effort at grace. Bread and butter. Real talk. I appreciate mo ang simple things. Sila talaga yung nagsusustain sa'yo. Next, cracks that build character. Like and subscribe.